I'm going to show you the full clip of that video in just a sec to explain what was happening. So the video was recorded a few days ago during an earthquake, a magnitude of 5.6 in Northern California. Parts of the US have an earthquake early warning system. So if you keep an ear out, you'll hear the alert occur just before the strong waves arrive. And then I'll address some of the comments. Some of the comments were critical about only giving a few seconds warning before the waves hit. And that may sometimes be the case. You have to understand how earthquake early warning systems work. Fastest earthquake waves travel at about 6 kilometers per second. So to get out an earthquake early warning, you need to detect that ground motion as quickly as possible, which means having seismographs near the source. And you can't just use one seismograph, otherwise you'd get a lot of false alarms. You have to have a network of them, so at least say 3 or 4 that have triggered on that event. So those seismographs need to be close enough to detect the event and then send the warning ahead at light speed to the people who may be affected. If people are nearby the earthquake epicenter, they may be feeling the ground motion at the same time that the seismographs are. So earthquake early warning systems are really designed for people who are a bit further away that can get a few seconds of notice. In this case, the person receiving the alert was only about 50 or 60 kilometers away. And that explains why they only had a few seconds of warning before the earthquake waves arrived. But they did get a warning. It's important to know what to do if you get one of these warnings, particularly for people who don't live in those states. Say you're a tourist visiting the US and you get an alert like that. The idea is that you drop cover and hold on because strong shaking may be approaching. So you need to protect yourself from falling objects. So as the mantra goes, don't be scared, be prepared, know what to do if you get an alert or you feel strong shaking.